which is here. Okay, 7C, you need a bigger space. Okay, in this area, what you need to do next, I want you to split it. Split to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 parts. Split it to 4 parts. Okay, see how we do it? Like this. First, in the middle. Okay. In the middle. Yes, cut it out. Okay. 4 parts. And then first, let's do number 1 first. Okay, and here, 7. Let's zoom in and see. Before we say, we start with the 7C. Okay, 7C is, before we start with 7C, I want to show you the creative technique first. Okay, creative thinking technique. Okay, which is creative drawing technique. Creative drawing technique. I call it the UCC. Okay, UCC. Okay, where's UCC? Okay, first we start with this one first. This one, U, stand for use. Okay, use. So in this area, what we want is use what? Use 3 and 2, 3 to draw 9 sources. Use. Okay. So in here, what we can do is overlapping. Okay. One more thing to learn about is overlapping. Okay. Actually, this part also we show already. Those things is actually overlapping each other. Okay. So in here, I want to emphasize on it. So we start it again. Okay, like this. Let's start it with 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, right? Then you can do, remember last time what I say, you can set which part to land. Okay, if you want to just land this, then you can do a big one. Then 3, 3, 3. So you can become a big one. Then you do a 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, then do this. If you want all involved, then you can do 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, continue like this. Involve some of it as you wish. Okay, then this is all 3. Then you can do 2, 3, 2, 3. Oh, do this 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, then 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, be free. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, once you've done this, I want you to change this to 7 source. Okay, let's example. This thing, what we can do is I can think of, for example, okay, if I want to make it a place. Okay, this one I guess is a place. Maybe it's, we can make it into a sea. Okay, maybe this is the sea, the water, the wave, right? The sea. Okay. Change it to something. One layer by layer. Layer by layer. Then after this, maybe I want to change this one to, okay. You can make things that relate to it. Okay, maybe I want to make it into a fish. Okay, it can be a fish going up from the water, a fish, right? Can be a fish. Okay. Creative drawing techniques is using UCC. Okay, first we are use. U stand for use. Okay, use. So we are the first lesson 7C. We are use 3 and 2, 3 to draw 9 sources. Okay, what we have done 2 here already. Okay, we draw the water, we draw the fish. Okay, what else we can add? Remember, every image can tell a story. Okay, our rich image. You always want to create a rich image which tell a story. Okay, an image that tells a story. Okay, for this one, I want to make it more fun. Okay, so I will plan to make this. This one we make it simple. Okay, we just make it. This is some rock with some grass on top of it. Okay, of course you can base on your own idea. Okay, to transform those 3 and 2 tree to different things that you want. Okay, for this round, this 2 tree round, I will change this to this stuff. I'll make them, yes, the bear. I'll make them into the bear. And then this one can be the hand. Right, the bear with a big hand. Okay, this one can be another hand. Okay. They are hiding behind the rock, looking to eat or look forward to catch some fish. Maybe. Okay. Create your own story, okay? Yes. This one can be the hand, the paw of the bear. Okay? Yeah, like this, okay? Of course, you can add more stuff here. And then what else? Behind and behind. Behind, then you can change to different thing. And maybe behind here, you can make this actually a mountain. You can change the color. A mountain. This one is a big mountain. Far, far behind. Right? And then this, you say, can be a crowd. Okay, it can be a crowd. Okay, anything. Okay, change it up, make it up. And then in here, what we are using, actually we are using the overlapping space. Okay, in overlapping space, that means occurs when objects that are close to the viewer prevent the view of objects that are behind them. What does this mean? That means this thing is blocking the triangle, and the triangle are blocking the background, the circle. Okay, so in the space, normally we divide it into three type of space, which is the background, the midground, and the foreground. Okay, in our case, the water consider the foreground, and the fish can be the midground, and the rock and the bear consider the background. Then if it create the space, okay, the overlapping space, that's how we correct, because the bear is hiding behind the rock, and the fish is hiding behind the water. So the water is closer to us, and then it gradually get further and further, all the stuff below here. Okay, so that's how we use the overlapping space. Okay, they are all interact within each other, blocking each other in that space. Okay, so that's is about use. Okay, our lesson use 3 and 2 tree to draw 9 sources. Okay, try it out. Okay, after we're done with this, then we go to the next one. Okay, in the next C, okay, we're done with this use, that means use. Then the C, the second C stands for combine. Okay, in this lesson, what we want to do, we want to combine the 3 and 2 tree to create a 3D sources. Okay, to create a 3D source. Okay, a 3D source. How we can make a 3D source? Okay, for instance, if you draw a ball, okay, how we can make it into a 3D look? We have learned this already with contour line. Okay, with this line, in contour line, you are like touching the edge of the form, so you can create the contour line to create the illusion of 3D. So we are using contour line. Okay, you can write here contour line. Okay, and then contour line and with 2 3 and 2 3. Okay, so that means you're using the technique contour line with 3 and 2 3 to create your 3D sources. Okay, I will show you an example how we're going to do it. First, you can do a guideline for you. Okay, contour line, maybe you can do something like this. Contour line. So you have your guideline of the contour line for this sphere. Okay, so you have a guideline already. After this, then you need to use the 3 and 2 3 to create this. Okay, how you can do it? You can do it, still do it like how we do it here and here or here. But in this case, it's special because we do it with the 3D kind of line, the contour line. Okay, so that's how we're going to do it. You can start with this point, and then you can do 3 like this, 3, 3, and then you can start again 3 if you want to combine 3, 3, and then if you want to say you want to do 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, right? So this is like a 3D kind of drawing based on the contour line. Okay, so this one again 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, then the contour line, then the 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, right? 3, 3, getting small. So now you can see it's based on the line. Okay, then this one, when we create something based on this. Okay, this is just a circle. So from here, I get an inspiration. I know what I can do with this sphere. So I do it again, and then once again, right? Contour line. So now I will draw it based on my idea. Okay, I will get this thing, and then 3, 3. Okay, that's it. Then I want to draw this darker. Okay, for this one, I can use this to draw just the sketches. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, then 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. Guess what I'm drawing? 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Yes, I have created a flute. Okay, mango stick. So then you can, based on the drawing as well, then you can create this source. And then you can get this 3, 3. A fruit. Okay, we'll just create a fruit, a foot, based on the 3 and 2, 3 line, and with the contour line. 2 and 2, 3 pattern of way of drawing combined with the contour line, then we create this 3D source. Okay? Try it out and show me your 3D source, okay, with this technique. Okay, after we're done with combining 3 and 2, 3 to create a 3D source, okay, next we talk about the next C. Okay, in this C, it represents the complete. Yes, complete. Okay, so what you mean about complete? Okay, for instance, what we need to do is 2, 3, oops. Okay, for instance, this 2 and 3. Then I want to create another one. Okay, maybe 2, 3. Okay, then I want to do another one. 2, 3, and then maybe a circle here. Okay, so in complete this lesson, what we want is complete. Okay, I have two drawing here, one here, one here. Okay, so in complete, what we want to do is complete the 3 and 2, 3, the 2, 3 and 3 and 2, 3. We've complete it to create a rich image. Okay, I want you to complete the question. Okay, complete this, and then create a rich image. Tell a story with this. Okay, so now I can give you an example. Okay, let's see how we can make something out of this. Okay, for instance, what we can do here. Okay, I have an idea about this one. Let's start with this one first. Okay, I think we can change this to. Any idea about this? Yes. Okay, I want to make it into a cactus. Yeah. Let's see. I think I can add this. Oh, one thing for here I want you to learn about is the relative space. Okay, relative space is another type of space. Okay, for us to draw something to create the illusion of depth. Okay, the distance. So if we're putting them at the same line, same size, then they have the illusion of like they are at the same, they're just side by side. Okay, but if we put it different line, this one in this line and this one in this line, what I mean here is the end of the ball. Okay, the edge. So if they are at the same edge, that means gives us the illusion that they are side by side. Okay, of course together with their size. And one thing in the another hand, if the edge of the line is different and the size are different, then they create the depth. Okay, one more time. If the edge of the line is different and the size is different, then you create the illusion of real space. Okay, so in this way, so what we can do is, for instance, this is the line of it. Okay, so if I say I want to create a bigger one, so I will make it here. For instance, if I make it here, then this size, you see, this equal to this one. Then I want to make something bigger than this one. So what we can do here is, I can use the same pattern again. 2, 3, 2. Okay, this one too much. And this one, create a space that this cactus. Okay, alright. This is a good cactus. They got flower here. This cactus is on top of, is in front of this cactus. Yeah. In this way, okay, what I have just created here also. So what we can do here is, if you want to do this behind, right, first thing is the size. If you want to divide the space, is the size of the object. Okay? Then the second thing is the position of it, okay? Position this line, okay? About the end edge, the line of it below. So if this is the middle line, and then this line could be behind it, okay? This one I make it smaller, so I make this one like it's in front. So this one we can extend it, and then this line could be here. So this is the second line, and this could be the third line. So in this case, this is the first line. Close, this is the closest to us. This is the second closest, this is the further. Okay, get it? You have three types of distance now. So if you want to create something more further, what we can do is, we can use the size and the position. So what we can do, we can make something like this. Pick a smaller one. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, this is the furthest, the most behind, okay, of the thing. So when you're seeing this also has something to do with this overlapping space, okay? In overlapping space, we have a foreground, midground, and background. Okay, this is the basic of it, okay? So by using overlapping space and relative space, think about the edge of them, the line of them. Okay, I can use green so you can see the line of them. Then you can create the distance. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So in this scene, I'm complete this scene, and then I want to do something like maybe is someone thirsty, looking for water. Okay, when drawing, we always draw the basic shape first. So what I'm drawing here also the same. I will draw the bone first, okay, as you can see, and then I draw the emotion. The eye is very important. Oh. Okay, after this, after we get the bone done, happy with it, then we can add the meat on it. Okay, I can use different color to add the meat. You can add the meat on it for it. Alright. And the hand. Looking for help. Oh. Someone is lighting on the red hot sun, okay. Okay, to make it more dramatic, maybe you can add something else there. Maybe you can say on top of it there are a few big birds. Okay, we can draw the path. A few big birds flying top of him and waiting for him. Okay, waiting him. So this is like a dangerous kind of feeling. Someone is waiting, the animal is waiting for their desert, their food. Okay, so this guy, this poor guy, may end up to be the food of this big bird. Okay, so this is the idea of my story. Okay, then in this case I've created a rich image by telling a story with an image. Okay, yeah, so I just get a draft like this. Big bird looking toward for him, the one who desert, the one who in the desert and looking for water. Okay, so and then you can create this one, and then you create another one. Okay. Now go and try out. Create your ridge image with 3 and 2, 3. Okay. Complete it with the given 2 and 2, 3. Draw out. Okay. Happy drawing, and show me your drawing. Beside the size position, there's still one more thing I want to add on for you, is the ground line. Ground line, okay? Ground line. That means this is the ground line. Where is the ground line of your item, of your drawing? This is the ground line of this plant. This is the ground line. This is the ground line. Okay? So when you know your ground line, then you will know where are their position and what size should you give them. Okay, you can decide. Okay, this is the 3 things. The position, where are they? The ground line, and to create the distance, and then the size also to create the distance. This is the 3 things. Okay, where you put. Okay, know your ground line, and then the position and the size. Okay, understand? That's the 3 things. Okay. So quickly we can, for instance, this one, you can add another one. Okay, we want to do another sketches. Okay, a rich image sketch. Okay, for this one, okay, I have an idea. We can do like this. We can make it into a, what is this? A bees, maybe. A bees in the nose of a what? Any guess? A bee in the nose of a reindeer. Yeah. Okay. You can get a bee in the nose of a reindeer. Okay. A bee is here. Okay. So you can just create your own idea. Okay. Complete it with, okay, a red nose. Complete it. Okay. Complete it with the given 3 and 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Okay, go and try it out. Try it out. After you're done with your these two, complete the 3 and 2, 3 to create a rich image sketch. Next thing, I want you to choose one